application of European Union law. And then there was another aspect. The Chancellor of Justice, I think Oiguskanzler or something like that, that's a little bit like an ombudsman. We have that in Latvia too. He had requested that the Rigi Kurus shall declare an act unconstitutional because of a violation of European Union law. So he wanted the state court to declare an act unconstitutional which did not violate any special clause in the Constitution, but Union law. Neither the Chancellor of Justice Act nor the Constitutional Review Court Procedure Act, however, gives the Chancellor of Justice the competence to such a request. That was the statement of the Rigi Kurus. The European Union law has indeed supremacy over Estonian law. The supremacy of application, however, means that the national act which is in a conflict with European Union law should be set aside in a